Welcome to episode 37 of the Mango Monkey Show, where I discuss for you personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the Raiz investing platform. Raiz, the website is raizinvest.com.au, is a revolutionary way to invest money into the share market. They are part of a millennial trend called micro investing. It is an app on your smartphone. Signing up is super easy. It only took me a couple of minutes. And you know what? Surprisingly, I wasn't asked for my driver's license number, but I had to provide my address and date of birth. My account was instantly approved. They must trust me a lot, hey? Anyway, there are three ways to invest into Raiz. The first way is that they round up your daily purchases to the nearest dollar. So if you buy a cup of coffee for $3.70 with your linked credit or debit card, Raiz will detect the purchase and it will round up the purchase to the nearest dollar, which is $4. The extra 30 cents is automatically scheduled to go into your Raiz investment portfolio. Raiz will wait until you have $5 at least and then direct debit your bank account for the amount that you have accumulated. The second way to invest into Raiz is that you can set up a recurring daily, weekly, or monthly direct debits. There is a minimum of $5 per direct debit, but once you set that up, you don't have to think about it anymore. It will just happen automatically. The third way is, of course, you can add a one-off contribution starting from $5. Now, there are three huge benefits of Raiz. Number one, diversification. Every dollar you invest is actually invested in over 1,000 stocks and bonds. So you get to choose one of 7 diversified portfolios, which each will consist of over 1,000 individual stocks and bonds. A Raiz portfolio is slightly different from an ETF, although it works in a similar fashion. A portfolio may consist of multiple ETFs. It typically includes both Australian and overseas shares, as well as bonds. The easiest way to think about what a portfolio is to look at what you have in your superannuation account. If you look at your superannuation account, most likely you see a few different investment selections. So that's essentially similar to what Raiz does. Raiz offers 7 portfolios: conservative, moderately conservative, moderate, moderately aggressive, aggressive, and then there are also Emerald and Sapphire. Emerald is for those of you who want to invest into socially responsible companies. Sapphire is if you want to get a bit of exposure into Bitcoin. The Sapphire portfolio invests 5% of its balance into Bitcoin. Alright, so that's the end of the first benefit of using Raiz, which was diversification. The second benefit is that it is low cost. With traditional share trading platform like Concept, you pay a fee of between $10 and $20 regardless of how small your investment is. With Raiz, you can invest into a diversified portfolio with only $5 and the fee is almost nothing. And of course, it does not make sense for you to invest $5 when you have to pay $10 fee to Comsec, right? We will go through the fees in a moment, but for now, I will talk to you about the third benefit of using Raiz. The third benefit is that you get to practice dollar cost averaging and you do not need to be a wizard who can time the market. Check out the video by Andre Jig, I'm linking down below in the description, where he proved to us all that the average investor, Sarah, achieved a better return by investing small amounts of $200 per month into an index fund since 1979 until 2020. Apart from these 3 benefits of using Raiz, I think using Raiz is also just very convenient because they run up your purchases, you don't need to think about it, and you automatically will be investing your money. As a bonus, Raiz also has some cashback offers. If you spend with one of their shopping partners, you get some kind of rebate which goes towards your Raiz portfolio. Alright, so how much does it all cost? Firstly, if you have $0 balance, you don't get charged a fee. So go ahead and open an account to check it out. For the typical user, the fees are minimal. You pay a monthly fee of $2.50 if your account balance is less than $10,000. You pay a 0.275% per year if your account balance is $10,000 or more. So that's still going to be under $5 per month until your account reaches $22,000. If you invest $100 or $200 per week and you compare that with Comsec, the fee you pay to Raiz is practically nothing. In the interest of full disclosure, there are some other fees, like if you choose the Sapphire portfolio, which is the Bitcoin portfolio, you will pay $2.50 per month, plus also the 0.275% per year, both of them, regardless of your account balance. A lot of fees to just buy a bit of Bitcoin, right? You might as well buy it yourself. There is also what they call an underlying issuer fee, which is the fee charged by the fund manager of the underlying ETFs. When you invest into a Raiz portfolio, you are essentially buying an index fund containing a bunch of ETFs. You may have heard of something called fund of funds. You buy a fund which is made up of other funds. So you pay a bit of money to Raiz and you pay a bit of money to the underlying funds, which are the underlying ETFs. So you pay two lots of fees. Most of the ETFs held by Raiz only charge around 0.2% to 0.4% per year, which is higher than the Vanguard ASX 300 index, but it's still not too bad. You cannot buy Vanguard for only $5, can't you? You have to probably pay $10 to Comsec if you do that, and you end up in the negative straight away. If you want to try out Raiz, I have a referral code down below in the description of this video. Do check it out. I will get $5 and you'll also get $5. Both of us will win. Good luck. Oh wait, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel and also do like this video so that more people know about it. Have a lovely day, guys.